Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can cancel an already created Proforma invoice on Transact. So as because Proforma invoice being a financial type of document, not exactly used in the GST portal, but still it is kind of financial document. So that is the reason on Proforma invoice amendment or edit is not available. But you can cancel the Proforma invoice and then can create a new Proforma invoice. How you can do so? You need to go to all modules, click on sales and purchase. After that, I will open this particular transaction which I have created, in which the Proforma invoice is available. Let me open it. Now, go below, please check. Here is one of my Proforma invoice which is created. I will simply just open this particular Proforma invoice. On your right hand side, you will see an option of cancel. Click on cancel document. It will ask for confirmation. Click on yes, cancel, and the Proforma invoice is cancelled. How you can create it again? You can go to transaction, right hand side, create document. From here, you can create a Proforma invoice. I do hope that this particular video will be helpful to you in order to cancel a Proforma invoice. Have a good day ahead.